This video demonstrates efficient and complete DOE radiological triage data collection. Another video will show the steps for submission to DOE via the Triage app or webpage. In this video, we will outline the steps for collecting data and relevant information. This can be done in any order or manner appropriate to the situation. The scenario is that a suspicious package has been found in a public building. During preliminary inspection, radiation was detected coming from the package. Because of the suspicious nature of the package, it has been decided that data will be sent to DOE Triage for analysis and adjudication. Personnel with the radioisotope identifier, or RID, have been called to the scene to collect and submit data. A responder arrives with a RID instrument. In this case, an identifier made by Teledyne FLIR. The following steps are requested to collect the necessary information for DOE triage analysis. Turn on the RID in an area away from the suspicious package so it is not influenced by radiation from the package. Note the radiation background dose rate, as it will be important when measuring near and far dose rate readings. While the RID is powering up, use this time to assess the scene for safety and situational awareness. The three requested radiation readings, or spectra, are a 5-minute spectrum at the suspicious package, also called the unknown or item of primary concern, a 5-minute background spectrum away from the suspicious package in a similar environment, a 5-minute known spectrum of a radioactive check source or other known source, such as a thorium lantern mantle or a welding rod. These spectra can be collected in any order. It can be helpful to know the background spectrum prior to measuring the unknown 5-minute spectrum. However, be sure to assess the radioactivity level of the package and surroundings in order to proceed safely and accurately. Once the RID starts measuring radiation levels, determine that the dose rate is safe and you can approach the device. Move toward the package while checking the radiation level on the RID. Assess the scene for all safety concerns. This is a suspicious package. Follow all standard bomb threat precautions. Do not touch the package. Scan the entire package to locate the highest radiation level. This hotspot is where you will place the RID for the radiation spectrum collection of the suspicious package. With the RID located at the hotspot, record the dose or count rate and the distance from the device. This is called the near reading. Next, move the RID away from the package until the reading is approximately 1/4 the rate close to the package. This is called the far reading. Record this dose rate and this distance from the package, as well as the neutron count rate. If you know the background level, which was noted earlier, and your far reading gets down to 4 times the background, stop and record that dose rate and distance, rather than moving farther away. Now take the 5-minute unknown spectrum. Find something to hold the RID near the hotspot while it collects this spectrum. If the radiation level is uniform over the entire package and there is no hotspot, place the RID at any suitable location near the package. As data is being collected, take photos that will be submitted to Triage along with the spectra files. There are 3 important photos we would like to see. Additional relevant photos are always welcome. Photo 1 is of the RID as it collects the 5-minute unknown spectrum. Show its location and distance from the device. If this picture is taken at a right angle to the instrument, it will help the analysts understand the spectra collection geometry. Photo 2 is of the entire suspicious package and the RID. Photo 3 is of the entire scene. These photos help the analysts with situational awareness of the scene and provide visual information that can help with their analysis. No other photos are requested unless there are other items of special significance that need to be conveyed to Triage, such as unique markings on the package, protruding wires, etc. While any of the 5-minute spectra are being collected, you can begin to enter data in the Triage app or website. This will be demonstrated in a separate video. When the 5-minute unknown spectrum is complete, bring the RID back up range. The background 5-minute spectrum is also requested for submission. Where this is taken depends on the radioactivity level of the suspicious package. If this level is low, the background can even be taken in the same general area containing the package. If the activity level is high, take the background reading away from the package in a similar setting, inside the same building, on the same floor, same ground type, etc. If it is not possible to get far enough away from a highly radioactive source and the background is still elevated, note the distance from the device to the background collection location and include this in the comments section of the triage submission. Ensure the known radioactive source is not in the area during background spectrum collection. The 5-minute spectrum of a known source is also requested. In this video, thoriated welding rods are used for the known source. They are inexpensive and readily available on e-commerce sites. This spectrum is used by triage analysts to calibrate the spectra. All dose rate, distance measurements, photos, and the 3 5-minute spectra are now complete. Be certain that you have recorded the 3 5-minute spectra, the unknown, the background, and the known source. Verify that you recorded the near and far dose rates at the hotspot of the suspicious package and the associated distances. The far dose rate reading should be approximately 1/4 of the near reading and should be at least 4 times the background reading. Be sure you have the 3 requested photos, the RID taking the unknown spectra, showing the distance to the package, the whole package, and the entire scene. If you have any other important information for your particular situation, be sure to include it. Another video in this series will show the submission process through the Triage app or web page.